first thing we need to do is just listen to them and find out what they want and find out what their goals are, and see how we can make sure they can exit the relationship safely. So sometimes that means clients go into a shelter. Sometimes they leave the state. Sometimes they need an order for protection. And that's often the first thing we think of. But I have had plenty of clients that thought that wouldn't make them safe enough. And so the other approaches were to just create some distance, create a safe space for them to get the divorce resolved. Sometimes they want to have a voice in the mediation process. And I remember in the old days, we said, well, if you're a domestic abuse victim, you're not in a position to mediate. But, we're taking power away from people by telling them you can't use this very effective tool at resolving your dispute. So for those cases, we talk and communicate and kind of coach the clients to make sure they're able to, take a position. Sometimes we do mediation in separate rooms, and that is often a way of kind of keeping a person safe. But, getting a case resolved outside of court, as opposed to having a domestic abuse victim on the stand, having to face that person that's been so damaging to them is not the place to get things resolved. So, I think the big thing is listen to the person, identify their goals, and figure out the best, safest way to get them there.